If you have 10 out of 10 looks,
but you have a high-pitched, squeaky voice,
then all of the looks maxing is of no use. Today in this video, I will show you how to get a deep masculine voice. So let's get straight into it. Many people breathe shallowly from their chest. If you breathe from your chest, you are putting a lot of pressure to the upper part of the body and your vocal cords, resulting in a
squeaky voice.
If you want a deep masculine voice, practice breathing from your stomach. Let your stomach inflate when you breathe and keep your shoulders still. This will give your voice more power and depth. Hydration isn't just important for your health, it's also important for your vocal cords. Vocal cords are just a pair of muscles and their vibration causes a frequency. The frequency depends on how you vibrate your vocal cords. Dehydration literally causes your vocal cords to shrink,
which causes your voice to be squeaky and low-pitched.
And if you think that you drink enough water, I'm pretty sure that you don't. According to a study, 75% of people are dehydrated. Keep a 1-liter water bottle with you at all times. You might be thinking what I am yapping about. Making bubbles is a simple but effective exercise to help you with breath control and vocal strength. Take a glass of water and a straw and blow bubbles into the water for about 5 minutes daily. This exercise engages your diaphragm and helps you control your breath, which is crucial for a deep voice. Just like any other muscle, your vocal cords needs regular training. I will put a list of vocal exercises which you can do. Make sure to check it out. These exercises will help improve your vocal range and control, leading to a deeper voice over time. There are two long muscles which run down behind your ear to your collarbones. These are your sternocleidomastoids, the muscles which allow you to move your neck from left to right as well as up and down. And they also influence your voice. When you strengthen your neck muscles, they will grow stronger and they will be better to meet the demand which you place at them daily. An exercise which you can do to strengthen your neck muscles are neck crunches. Down talking technique is pretty simple. It's basically slowing down and deepening your voice towards the end of a sentence. In sciencey language, it's where you end your voice with a lower pitch. It will take some time to master this technique, but once you do it, it will make your voice sound more masculine and intimidating. Avoid using filler words like and like in your speech. This will make your speech sound authoritative and clear. In other words, improve your vocabulary. If you have a good vocabulary, then you will use less filler words. That's it for today, guys. Click and watch this video. I will see you there.